Are there different styles of Irish dance? If you are curious about the various styles of Irish dance, you are in for a treat. Irish dance is rich in history and diversity, showcasing different forms that reflected the culture of Ireland. Let's take a closer look at these distinct styles. First, we have solo Irish dance, which is perhaps the most recognized form. This style is often linked to competitions and performances. Solo dances can be divided into two main types based on the shoes worn. Hard shoe dances, also known as heavy shoe dances, create rhythmic sounds by striking the floor. Popular examples include the hornpipe, treble jig, and treble reel. On the other hand, soft shoe dances, or light shoe dances, are more graceful and feature flowing movements. Examples include the reel, slip jig, light jig, and single jig. In solo performances, dancers keep their arms stiff at their sides while showcasing intricate footwork. Next, we have set dancing. This is a social form of dance performed in groups, typically for couples arranged in a square. Set dancing involves specific patterns and figures, similar to square dancing. The music and steps are traditional, often passed down through generations. Dancers usually perform flat-footed, without the raised posture seen in step dancing. Another style is Sean Nós dancing, which translates to old style. This form is relaxed and informal, allowing for improvisation. Dancers perform flat-footed with free arm movements, often close to the ground. Sean Nós is about personal expression and is usually social and spontaneous. Céilí dancing is another popular style. Pronounced Céilí, this group dance is performed with partners or in teams. It features set formations and is often seen at social gatherings, festivals, and competitions. This style has a more upright posture, with dancers performing precise and synchronized steps. Céilí dancing can be both recreational and competitive. Lastly, we have modern Irish step dancing. This style has evolved from traditional step dancing, incorporating more ballet-like posture and theatrical elements. It gained worldwide popularity through shows like Riverdance. Modern step dancing emphasizes high leg kicks and rapid foot movements, creating a strong visual impact. For those traveling to Ireland, experiencing these dance styles live is a must. You can find performances at dance schools, cultural festivals, and traditional music sessions. Many dance schools offer beginner classes in step dancing, Céilí dancing, and sometimes Sean Nós dancing. Participating in Céilí dances is a fun way to enjoy social Irish dance in an informal setting. Traditional set dancing events are common in rural areas, providing insight into community dance traditions. Dance performances and competitions showcase the skill and variety within Irish dance styles, blending traditional and modern elements. Each style offers a unique way to connect with Ireland's cultural heritage, making it a fascinating aspect to explore while traveling in Ireland.